Vande Matram children, welcome to your yoga class. Today we will learn about Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation, and we will learn how to do Surya Namaskar. But before starting the Surya Namaskar, we will settle down ourselves, and for this we will start with the meditation. And for the meditation, everyone sit in meditation posture. Sit in Padmasana and place your palm on your knee in Gyan Mudra and keep your back straight and gently close your eyes and concentrate on yourself, on your breath and on your posture that your back should be straight. And now start breathing exercise 3 times. Take a long breath and breathe out. Deep breathe in, slowly breathe out. Deep inhale and exhale. And now concentrate. And now we will start Om chanting. Again take a long breath. And while exhaling, chant Om. Inhale and chant Om. Breathe in and chant Om. Relax, keep your eyes closed and concentrate on yourself and feel the vibration of Om. Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation is a sequence of 12 powerful yoga poses. It is a great cardiovascular workout. Surya Namaskar is best done early morning on an empty stomach. And now rub your palm. Take warmth on your eyes, on your face, and then slowly open your eyes. And now we will learn how to do Surya Namaskar. For this, stand up at your place. Join your both feet together and stand straight. So first, raise your arms by your side, up, and then join your palm and keep it near to the chest. This is the first asana of Surya Namaskar. It is called Pranam Asana. And now gradually raise your arms up and keep your hand behind the neck and try to look up. Yes, this is the second asana of Surya Namaskar. It is called Hasta Uttanasana. And then slowly come down, come forward, and in this posture try to keep your knees straight and try to touch your toe. This is the third asana. It is called Padhast Asana. And then from there keep your right leg back and hips down as much as possible for you. This is the fourth asana. It is called Ashwachalan Asana. And now keep your left leg to the right leg and then look down, hip up, and this is the fifth asana of Surya Namaskar. It is called Parvatasana, mountain pose. And now from there touch your knee to the floor first, only knee, and then touch your chest to the floor and then chin to the floor. This is the sixth asana and it is called Ashtang Namaskar Asana. And then from there raise your upper body only gradually. Slowly raise your upper body and try to look up. And this is the seventh asana of Surya Namaskar and it is called Bhujangasana. And from there again keep your buttock up and look down. And this is the eighth asana of Surya Namaskar. It is called Parvatasana. And then keep your right leg at front between your both palm. You can try, it is very easy. Keep your feet between your both palm and this is the ninth asana. It is called Ashvachalan Asana. And now keep your left leg to the right leg and then this is the 10th asana and it is called Padhast Asana. And again raise your arms up, same way like two. And this is the 11th asana of Surya Namaskar. It is called Hastuttanasana. And the last one, 12th asana is Pranamasana. Join your palm near to the chest. This is the Pranamasana and these are the 12 asana of Surya Namaskar. So children, we will do one more time the same Surya Namaskar with counting. So ready? First stand straight and start with counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Very nice. This is the one round of Surya Namaskar. And children, you can do this in the morning, 5 repetition of Surya Namaskar every day. And now after this we will again settle down ourselves and for this we will do pranayam. So again sit in meditation position in Padmasana and again keep your back straight for the pranayam. First we will do Brahmari pranayam and for this place your fingers on your face, index finger on your forehead, rest of 3 on your eyes and make sure that your ear should be closed with your thumb. Back straight and then take a long breath and while exhaling make sound just like that humming bee. Breathe in and make sound. One more time. Inhale and make sound. Now keep your hands down on your knee in Gyan Mudra and you can repeat this pranayam gradually. Repeat the repetition 3, 5, 10 And now we will do Kapalbhati. We will do Kapalbhati 3 set with 50 stroke. First, deep breathe in and then forcefully exhalation and count your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then again breathe in and again start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. One more time. Inhale and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 and stop. Thank you, children.